Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? Have you ever came out to your scooter or are you riding and you press the rear brake and you just cannot stop? Well, today guys, I'm going to show you how to adjust your rear brake on your GY650cc and 150cc scooters. So let's get it done guys. Okay guys, so the tools you'll need is a 14mm open wrench or a 14mm socket with an extension. So this will be your tensioning nut for your rear brake. So you just need to go tighten it up guys to your desired position where you want it. And that's how you adjust your rear brakes guys on your GY650cc or 150cc scooter. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. You all are greatly appreciated. So as you adjust it guys, you can just go ahead and test it. So let's do that guys. So that is it guys. I hope this helps you out. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. God bless. I see you all on the next one. Thank you.